it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using all Tarte products to create this look. Tarte is definitely one of my favorite makeup brands to use and to buy from. If you want to see how to recreate this look with all Tarte products, then keep on watching. I'm going to start out with this Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer and apply that all over my face. Now I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation and I'm in the shade Ivory. As you can see, I didn't really need a lot of product to get pretty good coverage. And now I am using my favorite concealer ever, which is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Fair. Now I'm using this waterproof Amazonian Clay Brow Mousse in the shade Medium Brown, along with a angled brush. Now I'm using this concealer again to clean up around my eyebrows. I'm using this Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder, and I'm going to dust that all over my face to set my foundation and concealer. So I'm going to be using the Tartelette in Bloom eyeshadow palette. So to start off, I'm using the shade Charmer and applying that all over my lids as a base. Now I'm using the shade Flower Child and applying that as a transition color on my lids and crease. And now I'm using the shade Smarty Pants and again using that as a transition color. Now I'm using the shade Jet Setter and applying that on my outer corners and crease. And now I'm using the shade Activist and Smoke Shadow and mixing the two and applying that on my outer corners to really make the eyes look darker. Now I'm using a clean blending brush to blend this eyeshadow out. And I'm also going to be using the color Rebel and Leader because they both have like a kind of nice like red brownish undertone. So I'm going to apply that over the eyeshadow in my crease. Again, blending it out with a blending brush. And now I'm using this Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in the shade Top Yacht. For a little swatch for you guys. So pretty. Oh my god, this is a highlighter? That would be nice. I'm using a sponge brush in this color and applying it to my lids. So I pretty much just went up to about halfway and then kind of just lightly like blended it out a little bit so it kind of goes out to about like there, so it's not all the way across my lids. And I'm going to go back into the shade Rebel and blend it a little bit so there's no harsh lines. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be using the shade Smoke Shadow and Activist again and blending that out. Then I'm going into the shade Funny Girl for my inner corners and brow bone. For eyeliner, I'm using the Tarte Maneater Eyeliner. This is like the best eyeliner I've ever used. This is the third one I'm on. So I'm just creating a thin line across my lids and I'm also going to line my waterline. Going to use these little black dress lashes. Now I'm using the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. It's like this. This is seriously such a pretty contouring palette. So for contour, I'm going to go into the shade Princess Cut and contour my face. Now I'm using this blush in the shade Fame. Now I'm using this Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Stunner. And for highlight, I'm using the Tarte Pro Glow palette that looks like this. And I'm mixing the shades Strobe and Stunner. And now finally for lips, I'm using this Tarte Lip Sculptor in the shade VIP. I'm going to use the lipstick side first and then the gloss side. So this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me using all Tarte products. I love Tarte, as you can tell. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll link my Instagram and Twitter, as always, down in the description. And I'll have all of these products named for you guys. I mean, you can tell they're all from Tarte, but I'll list which ones I used. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!